Hello everyone. Now we're going to discuss the last topic in this chapter number 4, and here we are going to study the different kinds or different types of SQL commands. Here there are total five types of SQL commands, and very first one is data definition language, also called as DDL. And there we'll be studying create, alter, drop, and truncate commands. So these four commands, they are used here for defining and modifying the structure of our database. The create can be used to create tables and database. Similarly, if you want to change the structure of existing, let's say, tables, then you will use the alter command. If you want to delete the data inside your table or database, then you can use the drop. And if you want to maintain the structure of your table and just delete the data, then you can use the truncate command. The second one is a data query language. Already we have seen this one, and this particular command select is used for retrieving or querying the data from the table, and it is also known as DQL. The third type of SQL command is a data manipulation language. So there we will be studying three types of commands: insert, update, and then delete. So when you want to insert some records, or you want to update existing record, or you want to delete some existing records from your table, then these commands are useful. So these are used for manipulating and managing the data within our tables. Now the next one is data control language, also known as DCL. So there are different users, they are related to our database, and we want to grant some permissions, such as some user needs permission for inserting and deleting or updating the records into our database. Then we need to grant those permission, and we use those uh, using grant command. And if you want to revoke those given permission or existing permission, then you can use the revoke command. So basically, these two commands, they are used to manage and control the access of our database. And very last, we are going to study the transaction control language, which is known as a TCL, and there will be three types of commands: save point, commit, and rollback. So when you want to save the changes for multiple, let's say you already wrote a script and you have multiple SQL statements and you want to save all those changes permanently, then you use the commit. And if you want to undo the changes, you use the rollback. And if you want to undo to the certain save point, then you will use the save point. So these different kind of commands, they are essential for managing the transaction. I hope things are clear to you. At least you are able to understand what are the different types uh, and what kind of commands we are going to study. You don't need to understand everything in detail. As you go through each topic, these commands will be very easy for you. So I think that's all for this particular tutorial. All right, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.